What's good, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about a personal loan, or not really a personal loan, but a loan that you can get to start up a business, which is something that is usually a little hard to get. So this is going to be a really good option for some of those of you that are out there that are thinking about starting a business and need the funds to try to go ahead and start a business. Now, this option is going to be something that will not affect your personal credit to apply. It will not report on your personal credit, which is amazing because with business loans, you don't want those to report on your personal credit because of several reasons that I'll explain. But this is a really good option, and you can get anywhere from as little as $20,000 to $250,000. So again, that's a good bit of money to get to start up your business. If you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. And if you want your credit score to drop 200 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop, just like this one. Now, again, this one is a little bit out of the norm, but I know a lot of times I have some people that are in the business field, or they're thinking about starting a business, and they may not have an idea of where they can go to get some funds for their business. So again, this is going to be a good option for those of you that need funds to try to start up your business. Now, the name of this company, you're going to see BHG, Bankers Healthcare Group. Basically, they are originally in business to try to fund people in the medical field, but they actually deal with people and give funds out to people who may be in different professions. So we're going to get some more information on this particular company and what they're doing so that you can see how they might be able to benefit you. And also, you don't have to have a perfect credit score to deal with them either, but we'll get into that in just a second. As you can see here, if you're an entrepreneur or even an aspiring one, BHG can provide a financing solution to help you get your business idea off the ground with a borrowing experience designed to maximize speed and efficiency. You can quickly obtain startup capital without the stacks of paperwork and long wait times of traditional loan processes. So they're telling you here they can get the money to you in a quick and efficient way. You don't have to go through all of the paperwork, because usually with business loans, it can be a lot of paperwork. So of course, that's great. You can also, like I said, get a good bit of money even with minimal paperwork and, quick turnaround times. So just a little more information on the features of this loan. As I mentioned, you can get anywhere from $20,000 to $250,000. They have approval in as little as 24 hours. You can also get your funds within as few as 3 days, and no personal collateral required. So you don't have to put up any collateral to get this type of loan. They have terms all the way up to 12 years, which is a pretty long time, which can also help to lower payments by having such lower terms. Of course, you don't want to have it forever, but that's good that they have the ability to do that. And also, it won't affect your personal credit, which is a major key there, because when you're trying to see if you can get funding, which is hard to do, you definitely don't want to be wasting an inquiry and having to go through the decrease to your personal credit score to try to get something for your business. Now, as I mentioned, they do say that they work with people in different industries. Have you ever thought about turning your passion into a business opportunity? Your side business could include consulting, teaching, or even writing a book related to your field. So yes, they do cover a broad range of different professions that you can be in, and they have a little application here, even though you can call them, which is probably going to be the better option, to just call them and try to submit your application. Now let's go ahead and check out some of these FAQs so you can get more details on them. What information do I need to apply? They have a short complimentary conversation to discuss the following information: financial need and loan amount, corporate and personal financial statement to help BHG better assess your finances. Upon completion of all of that, you'll receive a copy of your completed application. You'll need to provide the most recent pay stub for verification of your income, and then you'll sign an application, and income documentation will be required for facilitating a credit decision. Documentation may vary based on credit worthiness. So again, they do work with you with different credit situations, so that is good. And as you can see, it's not a lot of information that they require in order to get you approved. Now let's see what else we can learn here. Do loans show up on my personal credit report? Since BHG performs a soft pull, our commercial loans will not appear on your personal credit report. So you will not see this on your credit report. They're letting you know that right there. Do I have to own a business? No. We have financing programs for every kind of professional, no matter position or specialty. So you don't even have to have a business just to apply for this type of loan, which again is a benefit to you if you're trying to apply for funding to go ahead and start your business, and maybe you don't have a traditional business set up for this. You can be a sole proprietor, so you can get a loan even in that situation, which is very, very good. Do you need a business plan when applying for a loan? Because I know a lot of people usually ask that or think they need a business plan. No, you don't need a business plan. So you don't have to have a business plan to try and apply for this loan. And is BHG a direct lender? Yes. We use our own money to fund these loan requests. So they're not going to somebody else and, passing you off to another person to try to approve you for these things. They're actually approving you through themselves and are supplying you with the funds through themselves. In this one right here, I was recently turned down by my bank. How are you able to approve me for a loan? Our core focus is to lend money to professionals. We do not rely on a computer model to make our credit decisions. BHG takes a hands-on approach to reviewing all funding requests from our customers. We offer a wide array of financial solutions that meet the needs of many different credit profiles, which means that you don't have to have perfect credit. They can still find a way to work with you based on what's going on with your situation. Our team will work with you to decide which solution is right for you. So with all that being said, you can see here that this option applies to a lot of you guys that might be out there trying to start businesses. And this can be something that you can use to try to get everything funded and off the ground and not have to come out of your pocket. You can leverage somebody else's money and hold on to your liquid cash and keep that handy. Use that to pay off the loan and also to try to build in some cash flow. Now, usually I do recommend that you try to get a business started with your own cash if you can, because when you're getting started, you may not know how things may turn out, how things may go. And just to make sure that you don't have an extra thing to pay while you're trying to figure that out, it's good to have your own cash. But if you don't have your own cash, or you have a really high startup amount that you need to get things started, this might be a good option that you can use to get that business started and start making money. So hopefully you see some value in this option. Go ahead and check it out. If anybody has used them in the past, make sure that you leave some comments down in the description so that other people can get familiar with how they operate or your experience with them. Now I'm going to send you guys to a few other videos that may help you in regards to building up your credit. If you are having issues with your credit and you're trying to go ahead and start a business and trying to secure funding. And I also have a sale on my course. This is going to be a crazy sale, one that I have not done before, on my course, which teaches you everything you need to know about improving your credit yourself, especially the disputing side of things, as well as various other topics. But if you're interested in that, I have a crazy Cyber Monday sale going on for that right now. So go ahead and check that out in the description, and also check out these videos I'm going to link you to, which will also help you in your credit journey. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.